me show you how you can achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, I am Perpetual Chinaza. First off, we start by applying our edge control, then we'll go in with our braid. Then we'll go in with our extension. Okay, so while adding your extension, make sure you always add little of your extension. Please don't make your braids to be too bulky at the beginning. Okay, then the next thing you will do is dividing your hair into two equal parts. One goes to the left and the other goes to the right. Then add extra extension to your braid. Then you twist to your right from the right hand side, while the left hand side you twist to your left. From there you continue with your twisting, and make sure as you're twisting it tight. Add extra extension and you continue twisting. If you have watched till this point, thank you so much. Now we have our island braids. This is beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.